like around 48 hours before my pre-boards to complete this chapter, and then I can kind of unbox it. I absolutely love this but we had a very nice sleep last night.
What the dog doing?
It's neerajatosh. Welcome back to my channel. It's 6th of December today, so it's a Saturday. Well, I'm filming this around 48 hours before my pre-boards, the first pre-boards. And the first exam that we are having is maths. And yeah, it's on Monday, that's 8th of December. And I'm kind of it's 12 chapters are there in our syllabus, and it's a full syllabus obviously. But we have kind of done 9 of the chapters, and 3 of the chapters I've never seen. And I have to do speed run of PYQs for the previous year questions for both today and tomorrow. And you can understand that I'm kind of cooked right now. So yeah, come along with me 48 hours before my test when I have not studied anything. And kind of under pressure of 2 exams. Well, my pre-boards will be from 8th of December till 15th of December, I suppose. I have the last exam on 15th, so it's gonna be a week, and we have 5 subjects. So yeah, after maths I'll be having chemistry, and I'm kind of getting 2 days break for that, so I'm kind of happy for that. And last one is physics. So we're not getting time for our optional or English one, but that's fine, we'll do it in half a day. But yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, it's the next day, which is a Sunday obviously, and we are having exams tomorrow. And till now I've only got done 4 chapters, and we have 9 more chapters left. And if I keep it in a speeded pace, I might complete it in 1 hour each per chapter, which is 9 hours straight. If I sit without any disturbance, I'll be able to complete it in straight 9 hours, which is kind of not feasible, I should be saying, because it's currently 10 a.m. If I sit for 9 hours, it will be done by 7 p.m. But that's not practical because I have to eat, and I have to just roam around, not straight for 9 hours on the desk. So yeah, we are kind of I'm kind of cooked, and I'm crashing out right now. It's I wanted to just go to the bed and sleep. It's not that I didn't get plenty of sleep last night. I slept for 7 or 8 hours, which is kind of insane. And I was not able to study much yesterday because I was feeling the same, and I'm in a bad mood today, and I can't explain why. My hair is even not in the best state right now. I just washed it a day ago, and it looks like this right now. And now I have 9 chapters left to complete, and I don't know how am I gonna do. Okay, looking at the syllabus, we are down with only 2 chapters from calculus, and we still have 3 chapters left. So yeah, and then mattress and determinant is gonna take me an hour, because that's the most easiest chapter that I think, according to me, and trigonometry and relation also. But we still have chapters left that is gonna take me a lot of time, and I don't know what to say right now. I'm trying to get done as much as possible, and I also woke up super late, 7 a.m. today. I was I set my alarm a bit early, but my brain did not support me to come out of the bed. And okay, it's cold today. At 7 also, it was around 10 degrees today in the morning, so it was kind of a rushed cold. If you don't understand that, yesterday it was not that cold, but today it is kind of it was suddenly 10 degrees in the morning. And it's been since the last night, it's suddenly just turned big cold. So yeah, till yesterday I was not even in my sweaters, but now I'm literally packed up right now, and I still feel cold. So yeah, that is one more kind of a restriction. So, that is also one thing that is kind of restricting me to study because it's cold and I seriously want to go inside the blanket. Like, I planned on studying in my bed, but then I realized that I was not studying, actually, I was sleeping. So I switched to my table and I brought it near the window. And currently, I'm not sitting on my chair, I'm sitting on a stool which has no back support or hand support. Because I know if I sit on the chair, I might kind of slag. But here, I cannot because I have no support. Like, basically, how am I gonna not awake, like, not be in an awake state? So, yeah. I'll try to complete as much as possible, or otherwise, I'll have to pull an all nighter today. And I've not even done the formulas yet. Okay, we are seriously cooked. Let's get started. Okay, guys, it's nearly 4 p.m. right now, and I was studying, but yeah, I had my lunch like around 2 or something, and then I tried studying, but I kind of was sleepy, so I took a nap. Like, it was meant to be a 20-minute nap, but it was 30 minutes, so yeah, that's fine. I didn't sleep for an hour, so I'm grateful for that. But now I had like 12, basically 13 chapters if I divide one of those chapters, because it has two parts, so it's divided into two chapters. So from 13 chapters, we are done by like around 7 chapters or something. Let me just check. And yeah, we are done with 7 chapters. And yeah, I'm doing one of those chapter 3D geometry, and that's the chapter that I've never not like seriously done. Like, can explain it, but I seriously don't remember the theory of that chapter. So, and I've been trying to watch it since like last night, again and again. Like, I'm trying to, if I can, if I want to, but somehow that chapter is kind of making me bored. I've tried it 3 times, but I'm not interested to watch, and that's the only thing that is stopping me right now. I'm left with 5 more chapters. After that, those are kind of easy for me. Like, I just have to check how to write in the exam, because we were only doing objectives and I don't know how to write the subjective portion of that, some of those chapters. So yeah, and I have to kind of rotify the formulas from the integral chapter. So that's all that's left, but the 3D geometry chapter is kind of stressing me out right now, and I kind of think that I might need to change locations because I'm getting bored over here. Like, okay, it's kind of bright outside, if you can see. Like, okay, see this, guys, even the camera is kind of getting bright. Yeah, so that's the situation right now, and I'm thinking of changing my places. I'll be going outside in the balcony and I'll be sitting over there. But yeah, we can actually hear a bit of the construction sounds from the mall area, and that's kind of makes me irritated. But I don't have any options because I'm getting bored over here. And we also do have a parcel that I have not opened from yesterday. Usually, as soon as it arrives, I open up. But today, yesterday and today, I was kind of stressed, so I kind of ignored or forgot to open it. So we'll be opening that soon after. Okay, actually, I can kind of set a goal to complete this chapter and then I can kind of unbox it. So yeah, that would be fun. Let's do it. Okay, guys, it's nearly 10:30 p.m. right now, and we have gone through the whole syllabus like once till now, and we have also done all the formulas right now. So yeah, I've actually marked up some chapters which I'll be doing it again because I'm not so confident about them. So we'll be doing that after like in half an hour or so. I actually told you guys that after doing that certain chapter, I'll be unboxing the box that I got, but I kind of was somehow motivated after that. Or actually, my mom sat with me, like I made her sit with me. I was sitting in the balcony and I completed all the chapters, and we were left with like 2-3 more chapters. So I just looked up at its revision notes and was done. So yeah, Now we're gonna open the box because I am seriously wanting to open it. We actually had an early dinner today, like around 7 p.m. ish or something. We had pesto pasta, and my mom actually did a barbecue outside, so yeah, that was our dinner. And yeah, after that, I have had like around 2 cups of tea, like at that time, and now we are having it. Like, okay, it's on my table because we're hot, so I didn't drink it. So yeah, that's a quick update right now. Let's do the unboxing. Okay guys, so we have got this hefty box right here, and I kind of know like half of the products and half of the things I kind of forgot. So yeah, let's unbox it together. I'm literally doing it with a scissor because my paper blade, like the blade that you use to cut papers, you might have understood that, it kind of broke, and I'm not able to, like, okay, I find replacements but I kind of forget to buy them, so this works best. Okay, so there's the box. I actually didn't kind of, realize that would be a box. Like, okay, I didn't know that would be a box. It's usually a cardboard piece, but okay. Here we go. Okay. Paper doesn't matter to me. Okay, so guys, here's the product. If you can see. Okay, so we got some stuff. First things first, this is not mine because I don't use exfoliating scrubs. It's my dad's basically. He uses these, so yeah, let's not talk about it. I got a Johnson shampoo. Okay, let's be honest. I used to use this when till I was in third grade. Like, okay, I remember. And they used to have these pump bottles. I couldn't find one, and I have been not using it since like around 9 years now. So I actually didn't know if they maintain their quality, but I kind of thought that we can actually try this once again. So I bought a smaller pack of this. So we'll use this and I'll give you a review for this in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. We got a salicylic acid product, like ordinary, from ordinary, because this is the one that I use every day, like every night, and helps me from breaking out, like keeps me away from breaking out actually, because yeah, okay, the problem is that if there's something going inside my body, this cannot control, but if it's something external, it can, and it actually does. So I have kind of reduced breaking out. I don't know why am I been breaking out for the last 2 days, maybe because of stress, but yeah, this is actually a game changer. So this is the best salicylic acid that I've ever got. So this is my absolute fav, like every 3 months purchase I should be saying. And yeah, last thing that I got is these Olaplex combos. They were in basically a combo. This one is the Olaplex N4 bond maintenance shampoo. It's in a 250 ml bottle, and this one is a Olaplex N5 bond maintenance conditioner. It is also in the 250 ml bottle. Okay, I got the smaller one of this, and I absolutely love this. Like, my hair has been, like, the quality of my hair has been improving. So yeah, this is the best shampoo, like the current one that I'm using, and I actually thought that I could use its conditioner as well. So yeah, this is kind of the best shampoo right now for my hair, I should be saying. And yeah, I'll try this and also give the review for this. And since I ordered a lot, I suppose, like from Olaplex, they actually gave me a freebie that was an Olaplex N6 Bond Smoother. So I don't know what this does, because in hair care it's just shampoo and hair oil. So I'm new to this. So I'll see its usage and I'll try and also give a review on that. So yeah, saying this, that's all that I ordered. It came in a hefty package actually. Like, I thought that there was something inside of it. But yeah, that's all that I got. And yeah, now let's get back to studying actually, because then I'll have to pull an all-nighter otherwise. Okay, guys, it's the next day, that is Monday, and the day of my first reports, that's maths. We'll be having exam from like 9:30 a.m. till 12:30 a.m. and it's currently 8:30 a.m. Sorry, 8 a.m. and we'll be leaving house by around 8:40. So I have to get dressed quickly and I'll have my breakfast and we'll go to school and get my exam. And then I'll tell you guys how it went. Well, the weather is kind of nice today. It's like not at all no single cloud in the sky. It's kind of bright sunny as you can see from my face. It's like not like yesterday. It was kind of cloudy yesterday. But it's a nice day today. So yeah, the exam's gonna be nice. So I'll tell you guys how the exam went later on. So see you till then. Hey again, guys, it's 2 days later. It's Wednesday today, and I could not update you guys on Monday because, well, after returning back from the exam, I actually started for the next exam, and then I had my lunch, quite late lunch, and after that, I was like in serious no mood to study. Like before that, even I wasn't in, but I was like super tired, so I kind of slept for like 2 hours because it was intended for like a half an hour nap. But eventually, I snoozed the alarm, I should be saying, or stuff. Like I slept for 2 hours. That's the case. And afterwards, I like started studying like till 12, and at 12 p.m. I kind of 12 a.m. I kind of realized that yeah, I exist in this world. Like till then, my you know exam lag had not ended, I should be saying. But basically it happened because okay, my exam room was kind of big, like than the usual my usual classroom. And yeah, kids were also less, like okay, many of them didn't show up because we are literally having a big exam in like a month, so they are probably preparing for that, so many of them actually didn't show up. So it was not that crowded in the classroom, but it was crowded, and we didn't had our air conditioners switched on. Our windows were closed and our doors were closed. I was kind of sitting in a corner because, according to the seating arrangement, I felt like suffocated, and everyone else was wearing sweaters and jacket, and they didn't like want any fresh air, if I should say. So I was the one kind of struggling because I was suffocated, and that is the only reason why I wasted that day. And tomorrow also, I had actually that, kind of that issue the whole day, and I have not studied very well. And I'm having an exam tomorrow, that's chemistry. And yeah, we have to study a lot, like it's a whole syllabus exam, as I said. And we only have like half a day right now because it's like 9 or something, and I haven't started studying. Like I woke up late today, but we had a very nice sleep last night. Like I slept at 12 and I woke up at 8, so I had a complete 8 hours rest. I kind of feel like I might have got a fever because my throat wasn't very nice yesterday, and I can actually feel the congestion in my face right now. That happens before fever or maybe a mild cold, and I would hate to have it, but we have no options. I cannot do something about it except for keeping myself covered up and in a warm situation. Well, let's talking about the weather. It's kind of a nice weather. It's not cloudy. It's bright, sunny, if you can see from my face. And I love this weather, especially in winters. Because yeah, the environment is cool, and you can have the sun, like bright sunny skies. What else would you require? So yeah, I'll be ending this vlog here. Stay tuned to the next one, and yeah, wish me luck for my chemistry exam because I haven't started anything, but I'm sure that I'll be doing it well. So yeah, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye till then.